Hello students, in today's video there is a grid given, 5 by 5 grid is there, and we have to count the number of rectangles. And you'll ask that this is a square, so why we are counting number of rectangles, and is there any rectangle or not? So is it 0? Definitely not. There are number of rectangles in this particular case. And let's see how to count the number of rectangles. And when I'm talking about number of rectangles, squares are included. So if there is a rectangle of 1 by 1, that is also included in number of rectangles. And if there is a rectangle of 1 by 2, then that is also a rectangle. A figure with its length greater than or equal to breadth is known as rectangle. The length can be equal to breadth, length and breadth, or length can be greater than the breadth. Now let's count the number of rectangles. First, we'll count the rectangles of the size 1 by 1. So there are 25 such rectangles. So we can say 1 by 1, which is actually a square, there are 25. Now we'll count the number of rectangles which are of the size 1 by 2. So this is a rectangle, 1 by 2. And this is also a rectangle. So first of all, let's count 1 by 2, that is horizontal rectangles. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 1 by 2, 20 horizontally. And similarly, there will be 20 vertical, 1 by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a rectangle. This is another rectangle, 1 by 2. And there are 4 such here, 4 such here, 5 4s are 20. 20 and 20, 40. And similarly, there will be squares or rectangles of the size 1 by 3. 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. 1, 2, 3. When we join this 3, there's one of the rectangle. Another rectangle is here. Another rectangle is here. So there are 3 in each row. 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, and 3 here. So there are 15 here, and vertically also 15. So 1 by 3, 15 plus 15, 30 rectangles are there. Now let's count 1 by 4. This is 1 by 4. There's another one, there's 1 by 4. So 2 in this row, 2 in each row, and 2 each in column. So 10 and 10, 20. 1 by 4, there are 20 rectangles. And of course, there is a rectangle of size 1 by 5. So 1 in each row, 5 in this row, and 5 column, 5 in columns. So there are 10. 1 by 5, there are 10. So if we go on increasing like this, we can count all the squares and rectangles of the size 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 2 by 2, 2 by 3, 2 by 4, 3 by 3. So it is a lengthy process. So is there any formula for this? To count the number of rectangles in a grid of 5 by 5 or n by n, just do it 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube. So number of rectangles in n by n grid is 1 cube, 2 cube up to n cube. This will be 1. 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, and 5 cube is 125. And if we add all this, we'll get 8, 1, 9, and 27. 36 plus 64 is 100 plus 125 is 225. So there are total 225 rectangles in this grid. Remember the formula 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. And there is a formula for this also 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube up to n cube. The formula is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So if we have to count the number of rectangles up to 5 cubes, that is 1 cube plus 2 cube up to 5 cube, that will be 5 into 6 by 2. n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So when we cancel out this will be 15 square, and 15 square is 220. So number of rectangles in n by n grid is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus up to n cube. Or we can simply count this 1 by 1, 2 by 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 2 by 2, 2 by 3, 2 by 4, 2 by 5, 3 by 3, 3 by 4, 3 by 5. And when we count all this, we'll get number of rectangles. Now, if the case is this 5 by 3, now how many rectangles are there? So you have to solve this question and write your answer in the comment box.